Hi everyone, my name is Sana and welcome to Raining Beads. Today we are going to learn a basic beading technique together. Let's dive into the wonderful world of the Triangle Peyote Stitch. I promise you'll find it really easy to follow the steps and get great results. With the Triangle Peyote Stitch, you can create beautiful pieces like this. I've put together this super helpful guide to make sure you know everything you need to know about the Triangle Peyote Stitch. Go ahead and download now. I've included the info in the description box and the first comment of this video tutorial. You can find all the links down below. Materials we are going to use are any type of seed beads you have and any colors. My favorites for this technique are Miyuki Delica beads 11.0. We'll use a beading needle between number 10 and 12. We're also going to use special nylon thread for beading in size B or D. We also need scissors. And finally, your beading mat. So, let's go! I'm changing my materials for bigger ones. That way you will see the process better. These earrings are made with the Triangle Peyote Stitch. Please let me know if you would like to learn how to make them. To start, we need to take 3 beads of the same color. You can follow the pattern in the upper right corner. It's important to leave 4 inches of nylon thread at the beginning of your beadwork. That will allow you to secure your pieces at the end of the project. Make 2 knots before you start. Pass your thread for the next bead. Now we are ready to start our beadwork. First, we are going to add 2 beads each time until we have 6 in the same row. When you finish the row, pass your needle through the last 2 beads. You can download the Triangle Peyote Stitch guide to see the graphics better. In the next row, we will add 2 beads plus 1 each time until we have a total of 9 beads. I'm using different colors so you can see the parts of the triangle perfectly. When you finish the row, pull your needle through the last beads. Don't forget to tighten the thread with each bead. This is important to give shape to the beadwork. Continue again 2 beads and 1 on each hole. Repeat the same and pass your thread through the last 2 beads. Continue with 2 beads plus 3 on each side of the triangle. And that's it. You can finish your beadwork by adding beads only on the sides and not adding the 2 beads in the corners. Another way to finish your triangle is to add just one bead on each corner. Then you will need to lose your first 40 inches of thread through your beads. Don't forget to download your Triangle Peyote Stitch guide. Thanks for watching and happy beading! Bye!